Everyone, my name is Faye, and thank you very much for coming to my channel. So today I am going to be doing a um, skin treatment on my face, and I wanted to share that with you guys. This is a new video for this new channel, so I wanted to start with a skin prep. The first thing I want to do for my skin is actually there's going to be a few different things I want to do for my skin. The first one we're going to start with is this black mask. I got this black mask from Marshall's. I bought it for like, can't remember. I will put, it's right here at the bottom. I bought this for $6.99. I will link it below where you can buy it from. And this is the Hollywood style charcoal black peel off mask. So basically what you do is just pull it all throughout your face besides your eyes and your hair. Don't put this on your hair. Trust me, I made that mistake. So it smells like a minty. So take your, this is a clean, just wiped it off. Your clean brush. Don't know what I did with my alcohol swab. That's fine. Take a clean brush, put this on here. It's black as so. It smells very minty and it's pretty cold. Ooh. Very cold. Kind of burning in my eye. I don't remember it being this strong the last time I used it. It's like very, very strong. It's extreme. I don't remember it being this strong. Definitely don't remember it. Like really burning my eyes. What I want to concentrate more is on my nose. So put this all around the nose. This is supposed to take all of the blackheads. I haven't done this treatment on my face in a minute. So I'm going to cover the rest of my face and I will be right back. Okay, so I am back. Now this cheap, this comes with the other mask, but this is so cheap. I need to get another one. I keep on forgetting to buy another one. It's so dang cheap. So you basically let this completely dry, and then after it is completely dry, then you peel this off. Let's see. Apply and then clean dry skin. Avoid eyes, area, eyebrows, eyeliners, lips. Leave them for 20 to 30 minutes or longer until it's dry. So once this is dry, I will return. Okay, you guys, so I am back. I try not to laugh. I cannot talk because, you know, this is so tight. But we're going to try to peel at least a little bit off, and then I'll peel the rest off of camera to save some time. I forgot how bad this stuff hurts. So start. You know how in the commercials that they just take this off with no pain, no ease. They don't even make a single face expression. I think that's just a bunch of bull. Certain parts of my face hurts the most than the other part. Definitely do. Just like this part hurts like a mug. So like you see, I'm gonna peel all up and I'll be right back once I'm done, just to save some time. Alright, so I'm back. I went ahead and washed my face. Took it all out. It hurt like hell. I thought I would see, all I see is fuzzy hair. Don't see much of anything come out. But my skin does feel so much smoother. I washed my face. This is what I use to wash my face morning and night. This has hyaluronic acid moisture boost daily facial cleanser. I got this from Marshalls for $2.99. I will link this where I got this from down below. Next, what I apply after this is I don't know if I want to use another mask on top of this or leave it. I think I am. I'm going to use the Global Beauty Care. This is cucumber face gel. That you leave this on for 15 minutes. I'll also leave this link below. I'm gonna take a brush. I just don't like how it just comes off really easily and when I'm going to wash it really well. This is a very cooling. This is just a gel. It does not get hardened or anything like that. Since I've been wearing makeup almost every single day, I want something that is cooling on my skin. And I've been taking on and off makeup most of all day today. So I am going to put this on. It does say to leave not to put it on your eyebrows. Especially after tugging on my skin like that, I definitely need something that's cooling. And you leave this on for 15 minutes and then you wash it off. And when I wash it off, I'm just going to wash it off with just water. And once I'm done, once I come back, my face will be washed, and then we'll go to step 3 of a different thing that I can put on my face. I'll be back in 15. Alright, so I'm back. I went ahead and washed my face with the hyaluronic acid again face wash, and my face is feeling pretty dry, but even though it feels really dry, it feels so smooth and it just feels so much better. My face was feeling really clogged and was not feeling right. So now I'm going to follow up with these 2 things that I have. This one is a Hyaluronic Lift Serum with Amino Acids to enhance collagen and elasticity. Shake it pretty good. I get this from Marshalls. I will link it down below also. It's a thicker serum, so for nighttime, I actually put not a whole bunch, but more than I do during the day. Like I said, I use this for day and night. Then all around on my neck, my nose, my under eyes. I also put it on my eyelid too. And it's very tacky. Can you see like how it's like pulling on my skin? It gets pretty tacky. And then just press it on in. And it dries pretty quickly. While that is drying, this is the collagen, rose and collagen face serum, improves elasticity and natural glow. This was $5.99. Oh Lord, I did not close this. And this one, can't remember how much that one was. So this one you have to really shake very, 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 very well. But this is the last step. And take enough. This is oil based, so it will like kind of run everywhere. And same thing as the other one. Work it way through. And I also put it on my this one I put on my hands also. I have really dry patch right here. Only right here on my body, just right here, dry patch, and it actually helps with it. If you don't like mix it really well, it feels grimy. So I just massage it, put it on my neck. And then pack it in. I've definitely seen a difference in my skin on my face and my hands since I've been using this. I just can't get rid of this eye circle. I just can't get rid of it. Oh no. My nail thing came off. It's time for it to come off anyways. It's been on a week. Next is just when I have washed my face, I use a face wash rag that has soft side and a rougher side. So I use that to also I don't like the rose collagen on my lip. And then just put, it's just a lip balm. Any thick lip balm, and that is that for the evening. And same thing during the day. I just don't use as much as the oil collagen as I do during nighttime. And this now can actually help my skin prepare itself. My skin feels really healthy. Really doesn't look as healthy right now because I'm so tired. It is 12:30 at night and I've been doing YouTube since 2 o'clock this afternoon and I'm exhausted. But anyways, thank you for watching. Make sure you are liking, subscribing, and sharing. Leave in the comments what face products you like to use, and the next face product I'm going to be using is what you see up here. This is grapeseed oil, and this one right here is actually coffee grind. That will be the next face mask I'm using probably tomorrow, if not the day after, and I will show you guys other things that I do to keep my skin nice and healthy. It's a lot more clear than it used to be since I've been trying not to touch my hands with my face with my hands. That's the biggest problem of mine is I touch my face all the time. But since I've been using a lot of makeup, I don't do that as much anymore. But yeah, so this is the look that I have. Well, not look. This is how face look at nighttime. It looks very hydrated. Looks great. So anyways, I will talk to you guys soon. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye. Thank you.